Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
How to discipline your child without spanking them. Parents often resort to spanking as a way to discipline their kids, and while it is legally acceptable, it can lead to unintentional physical harm and mental trauma. It is also a legal offense to spank or hit someone else's child, so it is more fruitful to practice alternative methods of discipline when it comes to children. When do parents resort to spanking their kids? Parents who are emotionally, financially and mentally unstable use spanking as a method to discipline their children. Parents with hectic schedules and a lack of patience resort to spanking. Orthodox parents who have experienced spanking may continue the practice over generations. Controlling, manipulative and dysfunctionally raised parents can use spanking as a coping mechanism. How does spanking affect children? Causes emotional distress or trauma. Sensitive or fragile children might be mentally distressed by spanking and build hatred towards their parents. Increases antisocial behavior. Spanking can lead to poor grades. It can also lead to antisocial behavior like bullying, increased aggression, and being socially inept in forming relationships. Leads to substance abuse. Spanking can lead them to feel bitter. This can motivate the use of drugs and alcohol to cope with their trauma and anger and hamper work and relationships. Inability to understand causes. Spanking doesn't resort to growth. This is because children don't understand the reason behind the volatility or don't know what causes the aggression. Developmental health issues. Spanking can diminish emotional development. It can cause aggression, ADHD, depression, an inability to maintain relationships, anxiety, paranoia, and a host of other mental health issues. Is spanking effective? Spanking doesn't resolve the core issue, as kids tend to avoid getting hit rather than rectifying the problem. They might also become numb to it or become rebellious. Alternative strategies to discipline children. Communicate. Talk to your child about what they did wrong and tell them what to do instead. Children respond to kindness and patience when it comes to learning. Deny privileges. Remove privileges like pocket money, TV or gaming time or treats when they misbehave. Make them fix it. Teach your child to fix their mistakes. Teach them to clean up, take responsibility, and show them the consequences of misbehaving. Reward them. Treat them for being well behaved to motivate them to continue doing so. Show them the way. Guide them through tasks and show them the right way to do them rather than spanking them into submission. Be their role model. Children learn from their mistakes with proper guidance, patience and understanding. Always avoid spanking and hitting as a disciplinary practice when alternatives are available.